Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Super VPN in your MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the App Store. So as you can see, I have already opened the App Store. For opening the App Store, simply we have to click on the Launchpad. And after clicking on the Launchpad, as you can see, it has an option for the App Store. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, the App Store will be look like this. In the Discover section, if you scroll down, you will also get the Super VPN. Or if you want to search for that, you can also do that. As you can see, it has the Super VPN. If you want to search this, you can also do that. For example, I am going to search super and VPN, and then simply we need to press the enter. And after pressing enter, as you can see here, you will get the same VPN as well. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, if you want to check out the app details, you can also do that, like the size and the language, developer and the rating as well. So if you want to download this, you have to click on the get. And after clicking on the get, you will get the install button. So we have to click on the install button. And after clicking on the install button, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading. And after the completion of downloading process, you will be able to use this on your MacBook. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download this on your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.